na-ege bike bụ na nene na masị m udo dịla onye ọbụla biko na o nwere ha chọrọ ikwu mee na over the week just about 2 days ago because Sunday night stroke Monday morning news na-agwa na enwe about 40 Christians over 40 Christians Igbo ha na one village nọ na Ziki in Basilica local government area of Plateau State. I was brought up in Jos. I was brought up in Jos. So I know this Jos massacre, Jos crisis, I know Odomanya very well. Because what saved most of my uncle Jabata is that year in Jos, because now Apa here in church so and the Reverend Father Nodi, I think he rescued most of the cars, and my uncle's car was among the one that we rescued that year in 2002. Where my first Jos crisis, Bahanes Bomnaka across my road, I will not forget. 2002, and I said Bomnaka like this across my road. So I know this Jos crisis. I have witnessed it severally, uncountable. Go. I've witnessed it severally. About Monya Ebonyi State and Aboyi Jos. So this issue of killing anyone in Jos, or bros also na Jos can eme. If you ever say I've not been around for a while. On video net trend again na social media, bakwa na Enugu State, behind one blog na Instagram. Ya afọ ka esi dokpolo ozu ndị mmadụ na akpa. Ọ dị nnọọ ka onye jele ahịa ikechiele ihe na waterproof. Tie ya n'ime akpa that place. See, let us be realistic to ourselves. Our government are not helping the masses. Our government are not helping the masses, and them using the media as a form of defense in order to achieve their common goal. And my for this thing as a form of ritual. People have started making sacrifices for election 2027. Now. Protect and guide yourself. Be your brother's keeper. Because Nandina Chia Chorema. Neheru Friday na Twitter being X, yeah. I think on Twitter called it that very dark man and APs are making plans. Some of the girls that very dark man and APs are making plans to bring them back, and the government officials and that in our safety that they have vowed to defend the people. Hana I'm not saying anything about it. Man, I put out today criticize their government. We keep all for government no boy alpha. But that government alpha now today they will look for you kada bologe. Man, this thing has been flying in a country whereby now the president vice president happens here in a country of lawlessness. If anybody not in power, and what does the human conscience? It takes the grace of God. Then can I change Benue State? I think that's no Reverend Father call. How can you deprive people of their humanitarian service? Because none of them are according with our humanitarian service. You that stood your ground as a priest that should have the people interest at heart first before any other thing. What then are you preaching? Which in any matter the biggest law Jesus in also the greatest among you is love. The greatest among you, but love. This issue of in social media this movement of where we say be constructive in what you are saying. Just to drag traffic to your page. The era of truth cannot be watered down. Small. Oh, when boy you lose, matter that na Bible say that you cannot light a candle and put it under the bed. You cannot. No matter how long it takes, by time everywhere. Just because you can do nothing against the truth, but for the truth. everyday ndị mmadụ na-anwụ n'ala Igbo anyị. Ndị na-asị ka eweta Biafra, yes, we are encouraging for Biafra ịbịa, but on which platform ka that Biafra ya abịa? Or this platform of nwanne na-ele nwanne ya? On this platform of nwanne achọrọ ifu ka ihe ga-alụ nwanne ya? Or this platform Matthias na ndị otu ya na-epush an agenda that will make you to hate your fellow Igbo because na no na-eje ụka? Ka ọ na this era Maazị Dibia na-achọ ka o mee gịnị? Ka ọ dịtụrụ na Matthias, ka o webata agọmọjị na ịfụ kaikai? Ka ọ this era pastor nke na-agba pastor nke awụ of this era of ndị adoration na attack ndị Zion ministry? Or na this era nwana ka Biafra nwana ya abịa? We need to sit down and know where we got it wrong first. I am ebe I get it wrong. Number one thing in the beginning with that unity. Aziza Dunugwu ada agbaji Aziza ekekọrọ ọnụ ada agbaji. Let us limit the way we sell land in Igbo land. Let us limit the way we sell land. Let us limit the way we sell it. Let us limit the way we sell it. It's high time I be the Jubande buy ndo Kenya ajuju. Now what happened? Kedu ihe mere ndị Hausa ji akpagalele na our bushes? Kedu ihe mere ndị Fulani na-akpagalele na our bushes? All this ndị dibịa na-eji ego na ma ego achụ aja ego nke anụ. Mgbe mmaala ihe ọ ya bụ achọ ego ifi eme akpọ na phone or achọ wee zeje mmadụ ugwu Hausa eje gote that in 2 weeks before eme ya wee bill that in abata. A na-enwe boundary na. Okay, development abịago to make it easier. Then where is the boundary ekwesịghị ime? All through the Bible, it is being written that even Satan himself has the starting with Job. In the life of Job, but to live his life alone is a command. Adam and Eve, then why are we living as if I am marry here people and then marry here? Most times in church, this in the nature here our people name like this. On Adam Conwell, and will only the people brain I believe. And will only people brain I. It's time and the local government chairman now we begin to ask them questions. Now allocations now but at this state. Kidi hijame. Allocations now but most of us now, most of you people that will come across this video will now borrow the name of your local government chairman. If people don't know it. Many people, they don't know it. They don't know the name of their local government chairman. Because na gini me, onyo bu na bia shift blame me ha. Ebe Tinubu no. Unamora na this thing has been programmed. Just like your mobile phone. Your phone has been programmed to have network. Even you go to phone now, no get a phone now, no login a beg without a SIM card in him, it's as good as not having phone. So now you be this phone being your local government chairman and them SIM card being Tinubu, in the sense that once it had this SIM card here, it's been programmed to receive network. And you can call anybody you want, both outside the country, because now this system has been programmed to answer you that way. Most of us, I am a local government chairman. And I could say, ihe kwesịrị na-akọ onye nke a na-epush agenda nka onye nke a na-epush agenda nka ihe onye ọbụla dị mma ya bụ akpịa in as much as that in favors you. Tomorrow you go and give thanksgiving na church say na ihe amele gị. Tomorrow you go and give thanksgiving na kwalose gị na ihe amele gị. You people glorify corruption because na gị me no na efevu ne ka ndị Yoruba si mechisi ọnụ kịta. Ne ka ndị Yoruba si mechisi ọnụ because na gị no nwanne ha nwoke nọ in power. All thanks to God on here Erufai na achọ nwetere ya because ọ bụrụ na nwetere he wouldn't have been speaking by now. Ọ bụrụ na nwetere ihe anyị na ọ na-achọ na Nigeria nwa anyị nkịta anụ nwa anyị nọ. Nwa president is what is doing the work of vice president. A country of lawlessness. Our problem is religion. Let's begin to tell ourselves the truth. But they are bringing this issue of religion, hearty religion or work or hearty tribalism. Our problem is religion and tribalism. Our problem is lawlessness. Ni obodo Igbo that you cannot snap somebody's picture without his consent is because now in out way jenga. Not that you cannot do that thing, because now the system has been programmed to look for you anywhere you go. Obodo church program ya. Obodo tribe program ya. It has been programmed to look for you anywhere you go. After I say China, there are some things you cannot see. China wanted with corruption today, it's automatically death sentence. How many of our leaders can you hold responsible for corruption today? It's a death sentence. It ever since independence has been a recycling of Nigeria. Everybody that have once ruled this country have a case of corruption on his head. Has a case of corruption on his head. Afotanu be afona onya nke anu agene e chike background afona na onya nke anu agene would be blameless. Hai nekwu ebolo gene. Learn to protect yourself. Ndị igwe na ndị na-achị obodo. It's time people came in mass and protect the people. Onye nye contract, we are not asking for much. They cannot swear to here just because now a stupid man, somebody na marry here, you get a wire transformer. Somebody na marry here. He has him no here kita no tribe. He has him no church. Costly. You get a transformer. Light of over 300 people in the use it. Get a transformer. Everybody has been in darkness since. And then that one at the area. So look at how What is really happening? Most times now, what is really happening? It's time we begin to hold our Igwe, your PG Obodunu, your local government chairman, your governors, your again representative. Every local government, when they are representative in a house of assembly, what are they doing there? What are they doing? Or you could see an engineer or something, but you have time to ask them a question. Mr. Man, what I don't know the name of my local government chairman. I don't know his name. Man, allocation now better for villages, allocations now better for local governments in your areas. What are they doing with that money? What are they doing with it? Can any of them come out and be accountable? Can any of them come out and be accountable? If you have a voice, speak. I asked you Yambaba na Munye Ajocho before I end this video. Yambaba na Munye, because ever since you made that video about band A and band B, because Okwa na Zia deno. Oh, Yambaba na Munye. Ever since you made that video about band A, ko band B, ko ndi one but I may appear na Arise Television men. Okwa na Zia de. Even NEPA threatening to go a total blackout. And actually, me a common thing. Oh, yeah, or this is like I said, darkness will a common thing. If you have the point to travel outside this country, a man occur with the least thing you can even think about. Light, internet, safety, these are the most common thing you can even think about. A man is in charge of your feeding, your bills, man, however, those basics need are not being met. In Nigeria, your safety, trailer na you fairly break gas school na beg stray bullets can come there and visit you. A man that teaches how these things, a man no in this country, because the system has been programmed to oppress you in as much as whether somebody not here. But I just pray that somebody will arise one day and know that enough is enough. It's time we begin to ask questions. Ndị banye na nwested n'ime ọhịa. A na-egbu ndị mmadụ every day na ana Igbo anyị. A na-atọ ndị mmadụ every day na ana Igbo anyị. Ọ bụ si gịnị nọ? Ọ gịnị nọ? You don't naturally or gịnị nọ? What is happening? Is it not a high time we come back to our senses and know that we don't have any other place apart from this one I know here? ndị ọchịchị gbuchazie ndị ha ya achị. But it baffles me that na during election polling unit a na-ebute boxes na your villages, those rural areas ifo n'ụzọ anara aga, those areas ifo na moto ama nga n'ọsọsọ ọkada ji aga na a ebute vote maka election. Mana when the time comes for you to achieve, for them to do what they are supposed to do for you, asị gị na ama mba nwụdị a whole governor mepere ọnwụ si na ọmara activities of Boko Haram in your state. Is that not a rascality and carelessness? Is that not the highest level of rascality and carelessness? Or the highest level of it that I have never seen? The school system is down already. But that one, my goodness, is a story for another day. God,